This computation help video will help you with subtracting integers. If you have not yet watched the video for adding integers, please watch that video first. Okay, this first problem we have a -8 minus a -2. And the rule for subtracting integers is to add the opposite. So we add the opposite of the second integer. The opposite of -2 is +2. And we don't want to subtract, we want to add that opposite. We don't do anything to the first integer. This is also sometimes referred to as boss change twice. You don't mess with the boss and you make these two changes. You change subtraction to addition and you change the sign of the second integer. Now we have an addition problem, integer addition problem, -8 plus +2. The signs are different, we find the difference. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and then we keep the sign of the integer that is farthest from 0 on a number line. -8 is farther from 0 than +2. -8 has a greater absolute value than +2, so we keep that negative sign for the -8, and we get a sum of -6 here, which is our difference for our original problem. The difference, -8 minus -2, is -6. Okay, let's look at another one. 5 minus 11. We treat this the same way. We add the opposite. We add, so we change subtraction to addition. And we're adding the opposite of this second integer. This second integer is +11, so we want to be adding the opposite. So the opposite of +11 is -11. We don't do anything to the first integer. If you think of it as in terms of boss change twice, we didn't mess with the boss. +5 is still +5. We changed subtraction to addition, and we changed 11 to -11. Now we have an integer addition problem where the signs are different again. So 11 minus 5 is 6, and then we keep the sign of the integer that is farther from 0 that has a greater absolute value. In this case, -11 is farther from 0 on a number line than +5, so this is -6, and that's a coincidence. I didn't intend for both of these problems to have a difference of -6. It just happened to work out that way. Okay, as I said, there's much more to say about the integer addition part of this. So if you haven't watched the adding integers video, make sure you watch that one also.